Hey guys, quick little short video for today, but before we get into that, we are so close to 200 subs and I know we can get there. If you are new here, I upload fun, exciting videos every week. So if you're seeing this, please subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Anyways, let's get into this one. Alright, good morning my lovely people. We are in lovely San Diego here today. We actually just dropped off Sam. I got Hamza behind the lens right now. We are hungry, so we're gonna explore San Diego, but first we're gonna go get some fish and chips and then we'll see where the day goes from there. But yeah, San Diego vlog. Alright, so we are currently at Ironside in Little Italy. The food just came. Oh my. Hamza? The spot that we're at, absolutely beautiful, as you can see behind me. And look at this wall, hold on. This wall is made of wooden piranha heads. Anyways, about to dig in here and then go from there. We just finished up at Ironside. We're about to go pick up Sam. I think we're gonna go to La Jolla, something along those lines. Food was good. Did you enjoy your fish and chips?
That was nice.
Rockfish. I don't know if I've ever had rockfish. I don't know if it's native to San Diego, but hey. Yeah, it was good. We ended up coming back here now to Balboa Park. The whole ensemble is together again. We got Hamza on the lens. We got two right back here. Annie, say hi. And we got Sam, of course, legend. Before this, we actually ended up going to McDonald's and we wanted to get 2 hot Chockies. They ended up giving me 2 glasses of warm milk. Absolute bullshit. But anyways, yeah. Anyways, we're here now. Gonna explore around and then, I don't know, we'll see what's next, but. Alright, we're finishing up here at Balboa Park. I think what we're gonna do now is head over to another park and then maybe catch a sunset there, but yeah, super beautiful spot. Alright guys, we are here at La Jolla Beach, or as the locals say, La Jolla. We're gonna try and catch a little sunset here. I did go back to the McDonald's and they ended up giving me a proper hot chocolate this time. And now I'm gonna turn around and walk into the distance, maybe cue up some music as I do so. Alright guys, that's it. That's a wrap for La Jolla. San Diego, absolutely beautiful place. And a sunset like this, I really have nothing else to say. I think what we're gonna do now is we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna go back to Newport, do a little family dinner at Joey's and then call it a night. But man, what a beautiful night. It is almost 10 o'clock and we're back in Newport and we're at Joey's. So, about to eat up. All right, the boys got seated. We got a nice little booth right here. Gentlemen, got a little pork gyozi to start. And you know what Nicholas says? I'm in gyozi. There we go. The place is super vibey. We're chilling. What'd you get?
Got the little salmon.
Oh, okay. Sam?
Got mashed
Little
potatoes
chicken
and base.
parm right there. You know what's up.
Bro, Sam ordered all of Italy. Like,
Keep the mashed potato base.
Oi. Me, I got a little surf and turf. Nah, dudes it. All right, about to crush this. See y'all in a bit. All right, and just like that, the lads concluded at Joey's. Gentlemen, Hold on, let me get over there. What would you guys, tuck it in, get a little closer. Well, how was everyone's experience? How was your experience?
Saying that's a 10 out of 10. I loved it. Thank you. What was his name again? Kevin?
Zach,
you killed it out
Zach, you did kill it. Hamza,
Joey's was amazing. It's actually really good.
you enjoyed it?
Yeah, I love that shit.
What did you have again, sorry?
I had the salmon.
Salmon?
I had the salmon, the seared salmon, and then the crab cake.
Wow. Just like that, the night is over. Love y'all. I'll see y'all. Actually, I might be going to the hot tub, but I'm probably not gonna film it. See y'all tomorrow.